Hi, this is Steve at Hilltops IT, and in this video we're going to take a look at the next steps in setting up your ConnectIt-SageOne connectivity to your SageOne Business Cloud account. Just to recap from the first video, we clicked here, we created our app and got our client ID and secret. Those are entered into here. We also entered in our QuoteWorks tenant ID. You then sent us those details. We've configured our authentication server to accept your details now, and we want to finalise the setup. So all I'm going to do here is hit connect. That's going to flash up a screen. Because I've already logged into SageOne today, that didn't take me through the login process. You would be prompted to click the country, enter your email address, enter your password, enter a 6-digit code if you've set up multi-factor authentication. But ultimately, once you go through that process, you should receive this message saying that the access token was returned okay. Access tokens are the things that allow us developers to talk to APIs like the SageOne Business Cloud. So now we've got hit connect and that's worked okay. We've got disconnect and the refresh options. These are there for testing purposes if you have problems with the connectivity. If it's not working, then perhaps come in here to disconnect and then reconnect. That might resolve the issue that you might have. What we've also got on this second tab is the final configuration for SageOne. What you're definitely going to want to do is hit this Get Business ID button. That's going to talk to SageOne Business Cloud through the API. It's going to get us a list of businesses. I've just got the one in there, so I'm going to select that. That's nicely returned the business name and the database ID for us. These first few options are used when we create a contact in SageOne. What contact type are they going to be? Are they going to be a customer or a supplier? Perhaps you've got other contact types set up within your SageOne Business Cloud. The default address code that it's going to use, if the address is blank in QuoteWorks, for example, what address code do you want to use? For us, we're using GB. Equally, the tax code, the tax rate, etc., etc., etc. Just bear in mind these last ones, the taxable rate, non-taxable rate, default sales ledger account, default purchase ledger account. These use when we creating sales invoices and purchase invoices within SageOne, as you can see on the tooltip that's appearing there. These last two, these two take rather a long time to load. If you're not happy with what's been set up by default, these sales ledger accounts or nominal codes, you can just change them manually if you wish, or as I've just done, you can load a full list. Like I say, it does take a little while for it to appear, but you can carry on with the rest of your configuration while we wait for that to load. Okay, it took rather longer than I'd hoped, a little bit of an uncomfortable silence there, but anyway, we have got our full list of nominal codes or ledger account codes, whatever you wish to call them. I can select one to overwrite what was selected, or as I mentioned before, we can just type that there. Once you're happy with those configuration settings, make sure you hit the save button. Prompted that it was saved okay, and now you're ready to use ConnectIt for SageOne Business Cloud.